Hello, hello, give us a wave if you can see us. Give us a wave if you can see us. Ah.
Give us a roar!
Ah. Whoa, hang on. Ah, hello, Rocco. My tripod just fell. Ah, hey, Noah. Hello, my loves. Hello. Hang on. Everything just fell apart, honestly. Where is my harmonica, please, Sam? Yeah. It's Dino Friday again. Yeah.
I'm hungry.
We're outside. We're chancing it outside. I've got my dino hat on there. Gigantosaurus is hungry, apparently.
And this time I don't want to do...
Hello, say hello to Lucas, Gigantosaurus. Say hello.
Hi there, Lucas. I don't want a juicy nose this time.
Oh, what are you eating today? Ooh, what's Gigantosaurus eating today? Hello, Gran and Grams.
Frog!
No, I'm keeping Froggy. I love Mr. Froggy Woggy. Go away, you. Oh, look who's here. Yay. Hello, Amir and Dylan.
Hello.
So, I am Sally.
Peck.
That is Sam, who is guaranteed to be causing havoc today. Who have I got here? We've got, who's this? Who's that, Sam?
He is a Spinosaurus.
A Spinosaurus?
Oh, hello.
Hello, Mr. Penguin, how
I
are you?
want to pet him, but I know I can't.
Oh, no. Give us a roar at home anyway, because it's Dino Friday, isn't it? Give us a roar. Louder. But obviously...
I know what I could pet.
What?
Not your ear.
Uh-oh.
Not your face. Not your nose. Not your eye.
What?
This drum.
Yeah. Hey. So Dino Friday, and hello Dino Rocco. We've got two really good experiments. Sam,
Sorry, I had to pick you up.
Sam obviously wants to do the Mento one again.
Yeah.
Because last week it wasn't a full pack of Mentos. This week it is a full pack, I think. -1. -1.
Yes.
So we're doing that again, and we're also
-2.
we're doing an experiment with a candle.
Hi there.
But what do we have to? This is very important.
I know what
Wait.
You have to do it with a grown-up.
Yeah.
Never do it by yourself.
Never, ever. So we're doing an experiment with a candle, but always do that with
dangerous.
a grown-up.
We're gonna be using this.
We'll show you in a bit. So, I'm Sally. That's Sam. Ribbit. That's Big Sheepy. Ribbit. What do you want, Big Sheepy? Oh no, please, not on my head. Not on my head.
On Froggy's head.
Whoa! Can't breathe. Oh no! Please stop it! Away with you!
Big Sheepy!
So we've got to wake up Barney. Remember, wake up Barney. So after 3 is my very lazy bear. Do you remember? Very lazy bear. After 3, shout, wake up. Hang on, if anybody sees Captain Hook, because you know Captain Hook, hang on. He just appeared. He's playing the drum. Mr. Froggy's he's not playing the drum, is he? Ah, no.
Yeah.
What do you want, Captain Hook?
I want my shipmate.
Your shipmate. Hang on, he is. He's good on the drum. Maybe you can play the drum in the sing-song with your Hook. It sounds brilliant, that. Captain Hook, I never knew you were such a musician. How amazing.
A musician on your head. I need my shipmate.
So let's wake up Barney after 3. Yeah, after 3. And give us a wave. Give us a wave if you've just joined us, my loves. Oh, what now, Sam? Captain Hook, I mean. Eh?
Hi. He is not called Barney anymore.
He is.
He's called Captain Barney.
Oh, Captain Barney, how exciting. So everybody, it's not, Captain Hook, come here. It's not Pirate Tuesday.
I'm going to go get my big friend Whaley to smack it at the head.
Not Whaley, not a whale tail, please, not a whale tail. So everybody, before the whale comes, please, wake up, Barney. 1, 2, 3, wake up, Barney. Doing, 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 doing. Stop this! Oh, phew, it stopped. It stopped. Doing, 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 doing. Stop it! Stop it, the whale tail. Doing, doing, doing. Stop it. Away with you, whale. Away with you. Hello, whale. How are you? Are we okay? Are we... I don't know what he's saying, but I think he's saying, it's Dino Boom. So everybody... Right, be gone with you. You've messed my hair up. Is my hair gone all funny, honestly? So, that didn't wake up Barney. He's still fast asleep. Still fast asleep. Oh, little doggy's coming now. What, little doggy, please?
I can help.
How much is that doggy in the window? The one with the waggly tail. How much is that doggy in the window? I do hope that dog is for sale. What do you want? Hey, Isabella. Hello, my love. How are you? Hello. Okay, so, you're going to help wake up Barney. He's going to help wake up Barney after three. After 3. 1, 2, 3. Wake up Barney! Oh, what? There's a dog on my head. Yes, I'm sorry about that. It's Dino Friday. Every day, every time it's Dino Friday, it is quite bonkers. Oh, hang on. Oh, I know he's right. Everyone use your ears, because I think the robin's here. Listen. He's gone quiet now.
Invite him.
He's here. Did you hear? Did you hear? Put your thumbs up if you could hear. We're going to invite it. Hang on. Yeah, Sam says invite it. Okay. Robin, do you want to come? Yeah? Yeah, he wants to come. And also, it's... he's coming, he's going to be coming. Who's here? Oh, there's a teddy giving me a cuddle. Hello, George, you all right? So Robin's coming, and Barney wants you to use your nose. Take a big deep breath. 1, 2, 3. What can you smell? Oh, hello. Oh, a little bear. There's lots of cuddling. Hello. Oh no! Everything's just blown away.
Oh no, your hat!
My hat's blown away. Everything's blown away.
Oh no!
I knew I shouldn't have done this outside today, honestly. It's going to be a tornado. A tornado, I tell you. It's not my fault.
It's raining.
It's raining and everything. Listen, let's get singing. Let's get singing before it's too late. Oh! Has everybody got some kind of something to play some music with? I don't know. You can just use your hands. Use anything. I've got an idea, Sam. I've got an idea. No, don't use my head, please, Teddy. George, no, I am not a drum. I got a headache now. So, my team, hey, get away with thee. So, my loves, let's have a think. Down in prehistoric times where nobody goes. Do you get what I did there? Did you get what I did? There's Stegosaurus washing his clothes with the scrubber here, scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with the boogie, a boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogie. That's the way I wash my clothes. Down in prehistoric times where nobody goes, there's there's a Tyrannosaurus Rex washing his clothes with the scrub here, scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie. That's the way I wash my clothes. Down in prehistoric times where nobody goes, there's a Triceratops washing his... Hang on, Triceratops? There's a Triceratops, washing his clothes with the scrub here, scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie with the boogie, a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie. That's the way I wash my clothes. I said down in prehistoric times when nobody goes, there's an Ankylosaurus washing his clothes with a scrub here, scrub there. That's the way I wash my clothes. I said a boogie, a boogie, a boogie, boogie, boogie with the boogie, a boogie, boogity, boogity, boogie with the boogie, a boogie, boogity, boogity, boogie. I said that's the way I wash my clothes. Down in prehistoric times when nobody goes. Who's this?
A Carnotaurus.
Washing his clothes with a scrub here, scrub there. That's the way I wash my clothes. Hello, I'm a Carnotaurus. I've got a nice smile, don't you think? Can you do a smile like mine, Sally? I can try, hang on. Like that? Does that look, do I look like a Carnotaurus now, so? Do I? Hello, I am a Carnotaurus. Can you do that at home and pretend to be a Carnotaurus? Rah! 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 Yeah, that's my impression of a Carnotaurus. Do you want to see my impression of a Diplodocus? Yeah? This is my impression of a Diplodocus. Hello! Hello! I am a Diplodocus! Can you do that? I could carry on doing this all day, to be honest. Let's get 3 dinosaurs now, and I want everyone jumping.
You can't forget Gigantosaurus.
Oh, hang on. He's just said. I said down in prehistoric times where nobody goes, there's a Gigantosaurus washing his clothes with a scrub here, scrub there. That's the way he washes his clothes. I said a boogity, a boogity boogity boogie with a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie with a boogie, a boogity boogity boogie. That's the way he washes his clothes. Excellent. So, let's end on a good roar with Sam. That was a really good roar. Hello, Shere Khan. What do you want? What's up?
Nice. Juicy. Nothing.
Okay, cool. Anyway, so... He got my nose. He got me nose. Do I look okay without a nose? Oh, how am I going to smell? Oh, he's got... Oh, boom. Oh, he threw it back. Good. I can smell again. So, we need 3 dinosaurs. 3 dinosaurs. Let's have a look. We got 3 here, my little poodle pies. We got 3 dinosaurs jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, oh, let's get rid of the Triceratops. All right. No more dinosaur. No. Oh, I got rid of the T-Rex. No more dinosaurs jumping on the bed. What do you want, Mr. Nuts? Leave me alone.
I want a hug.
Well, that's a nice hug now. Go. 2 dinosaurs jumping on a bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mommy called the doctor and the doctor said, what did the doctor say? No more jumping on the bed, you. Let's get rid of the Stickysaurus. No more dinosaurs jumping on the bed. One dinosaur jumping on the bed. It fell off and bumped his head. Hang on, everybody. Is there a bed big enough for a Stegosaurus?
A triceratops.
I meant a Triceratops.
I meant a monkey nut.
Surely the bed has to be very, very...
As big as the yard.
What? Mummy called the doctor and the doctor said no more Triceratops jumping on the bed. Thank you, Mr. Nuts. Thank you, Mr. Nuts.
Why? What a song of me!
My name is Mr. Nuts and I'm a monkey. And I like swinging on trees. My name is Mr. Nuts and I'm a monkey and I like swinging on trees. My best friend is called Samuel and he likes the odd banana. My best friend is called Samuel.
Okay, enough of that.
Okay, you asked for it. You asked for it. Right, everybody.
I asked for a better song.
Oh, how dare you. I thought that was a marvellous song. Everybody, go to sleep. Go to sleep. We're going to do sleeping dinos. You better be asleep. Go to sleep. Excuse me? Are you asleep? Come on. All right.
Oh, God, I'm coming.
So,
I'm coming.
shh, you get dancing. Go to sleep now, you two. Go to sleep now. T-Rexes are coming to sleep, yeah? Sleep. I think Triceratops is going to join in. Oh, no, let's have... we'll have Gigantosaurus. He loves it. Okay, they're asleep. Excellent. See the little dinos sleeping. Oh, excellent. Rocco's asleep. Until it's nearly noon. Is everyone else asleep? Isabella, are you asleep? Shall we wake them? No, are you asleep? You better be, Gran and Gramps, with a merry tune. They're so still. Are they ill? I hope not. Oh dear. I don't think so. Wake up, dinos! Hop, little dinos, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little dinos, hop, hop, hop. Hop, little dinos, hop, hop, hop. Wake up! Hop, hop, hop. La 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 la. Ow, ow, la 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 la. Roar, la 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 la. La 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 la. Give us a roar, and then go back to sleep. Oh, Gran and Gramps are watching while they're travelling in the car. Oh, that's exciting, isn't it? So everyone back to sleep. Yeah, hang on, Gramps, if you're driving, don't go to sleep. That would be bad. Yeah, that would be really bad. Oh. So, see the little dino sleeping. Oh, yeah, and now Rocco's making toast. How delicious. Till it's nearly... Go to sleep, you two. Sleep. Till it's nearly noon. Shall we wake them? Go to sleep. With a merry tune. Sleep. They're so still. They're so still. Are they ill? They don't look ill to me. Look very healthy. Wake up. Dinos! Roar as loud as you can. La 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 la. Ooh, so exciting! Right, you lot, come on. Let's go. Oh, you. What? Got my nose. It got my nose. It's raining here, and I'm also getting a very wet bum because it rained overnight, and I'm sitting on a bench. I should have thought this through. Gramps is just listening and being careful. Well done, Gramps. So first of all, today I'm going to show you the craft, which I reckon everybody can have a go at.
Hey, Mummy!
Yeah.
What about magnetize?
Oh, aye. Magnetize, magnetize, you won't believe your eyes. Magnetize, magnetize, you won't believe your eyes. I forgot magnetize. We're doing a magnetize section. Magnetize segment, come over here. Ribbit, what's going on? Well, today I think Sam is going to try and pick up as many nails as possible with a magnet. Ooh. And remember, at home, health and safety notice, nails are sharp. Do this with a grown-up. Let's have a look. So down here... Oh, you're getting them out of the water. I didn't realise this much. let's have a look down here. Move this chair out of the way. Our yard needs a tidy, I tell you, big time. Okay, so look down here. Okay, well, let's go down to the water. Sam is now fishing for nails. Let's pretend they're T-Rex teeth. Give us a roar. Give us a roar. Okay, let's have a look. Hey, he's doing well. How many have you got on that? Oh, you're kidding me. Get that last one. No way. No way. No way. Get them out and count them. Can you see that?
I got
Hang on,
all
we can't
of
see
them.
it. There.
I got all of them.
That is amazing. I did not expect this.
Okay, it's
Let's
your
count
turn.
them. Let's count
It's
them.
your
Oh, I've
turn.
got to have a go now, apparently.
And I got all of them. And see if you could get all of them.
All right, okay. Are you ready, team? We're going down. There are the nails in the very dirty water. All right, let's do this. No, I can't, I don't think. Oh, man. Hang on. Oh, no. Sam has won. Sam has won this magnetise.
Now we're going to do you know what.
Do what? Do what? No, we're not doing that yet.
What?
We're doing that in a minute. Sam wants to do the. He wants to do. Put your thumbs up if you want to see the Mento experiment now.
Yes, now. See, it's coming up. The thumbs up are coming. The thumbs up. The thumbs up and the hearts.
I think that's yes. Let's have a look at the Mento experiment now. So come on then.
You can open the bottle. I can't.
Set it up. Set it up.
I can't open the bottle.
You haven't even tried. Try.
I can't though.
Why?
Because
Right, we're going down here. Today, I think he's got nearly a full packet of Mentos, apart from one. So it's the most Mentos ever seen. If you open the bottle, see? Shall we go down? Yes, come on. You stop talking, Sally, please. Wait, this is exciting. More exciting than your face. Oh, how rude. Well, it is. Your face is funny. What? Your face is very funny. Honestly, that frog. Right, I'm coming down here. Okay. Are you ready, everybody? Watch this. And then we'll go over to the craft table, yeah?
I didn't take the Mentos out.
Oh, you're kidding, Sam. You see, he's not prepared. I'm so sorry, everybody. I shall sing a little song. Do 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 do.
That's not a good song. Got them out.
Oh, excellent. He's got them out now. So, look here. He's got a tube. Can they see, Sam?
Yeah.
He has a tube that he's putting the Mentos in and a piece of card underneath. So he can release the Mentos all at the same time. Oh, Mr. Froggy got a little bit funny then. Ha ha ha. I'm making it very, very suspenseful. Okay, tell us, can they see? Can they see?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do this. Ah! Whoa! Oh, no!
The other Mentos didn't go in.
We're gonna have to do this again at some point. The other Mentos did not go in. Right, Sam, use the sink or float bucket. You know what to do. We'll have to do it again next week. But that was pretty cool. Pretty cool. One day we'll get that experiment right and not give delicious toast. Oh, Rocco, what's on your toast? You're making me hungry. So, over here. What's next, Sally? Well, we're going to make a fossil out of pasta. Huh? So look here, I have a linguine. I wonder if I can balance that on my lip like a moustache. Yes, and I can talk.
Let me do it.
Hello.
I can do it better.
I have a pasta moustache. Let me try I'm going to try some penne. Hang on. Oh, Sam has a pasta moustache. Are you? Oh, I had linguine in my ear. Hang on. Hello, I have a penny moustache. Anyway, this is the craft, not balancing
Wonder what
pasta.
they taste like.
Oh no! Ew! Don't eat. Ew. It is disgusting. Anyway, look down here. Basically,
Don't
I
look at me.
made a fossil fish. So it's a prehistoric fish
Hang on, what did you use
out
there?
of pasta. pasta. Do you want to look?
What
Do you want
did
to
you
look?
use there? What did you
Do
use
you want to look?
there?
I want to look. Who are you? What's this one, Sam?
Pentaceratops.
Hello, Pentaceratops. Do you want
Do you
to
want
look?
a piece of...
Oh, lovely. No, can I have it with some pesto, please? That's disgusting.
Wait, hang on.
Okay, so let's have a look. Let's have a look at the fossil fish. Oh, Pentaceratops can balance pasta on his face. Look down here, everyone. Fossil fish. Hang on, which way round does it go? That way, of course. Look at that. Can you see it? So I stuck all of these bits up here, these bits down here. This is lasagna. And, oh, Sam's trying to do a balancing experiment now as well with linguine. So that's today's craft, yeah? See if you can make a pasta fossil dinosaur, yeah? I think you can. I just know you can. Now for the last experiment.
I want to do it! Let me do it. I want to do it.
Sam, we're not even no messing around at all.
Wait, I'm not...
Okay, team.
Can I pour
Because
Can I put the stuff in?
Oh, can you just wait a
I
minute?
put the stuff
No, not now. Wait. So come and sit down next to me. This is serious business because I'm using a candle. Tell me about a candle, Sam.
It has to be...
Yeah, I'm going to be lighting it.
Like this.
So there's going to be absolutely no messing around. Look at
What?
this. That's my serious face. Oh, did you even know I had one? So this is absolutely grown-ups. So, which I'm sure there are grown-ups with you watching right now. So what do we do, Sally? We've got the candle on a plate there, look. And in here, I've got coloured water. I've got water with some food colouring, and we're looking at how what are we looking at? I've no idea. Air pressure, oxygen, all sorts. Really amazing stuff that you can have a chat about with your grown up afterwards. So first of all, Sam, can you put water around the plate? There we go. Look at that.
Why is it red?
I put some food colouring in it.
To make it more exciting.
And you're going to have a glass as well. I am gonna light the candle and put the glass over the top, and then we're gonna watch what the water does. Yeah, and hopefully the candle will light because we're outside, so we'll have to have a look. Hang on. Okay, Sam. So let's have a look. So there we go. Look at that. It's lit, and now can we see? We're going to put the water on top. And let's watch what the water does.
The water.
The candle's going out. Whoa! Did you see that? The water has totally gone inside the glass.
Yeah, but
the water's gone inside the glass.
Not all of it.
All right, shall we try a bigger glass now? We'll try a bigger glass because that was a small glass. So that makes me think. You know what? I'm breathing now, and I'm breathing in air, oxygen. Oxygen. Can everyone say oxygen at home? Can I? A bit louder.
Oxygen!
Yeah. And inside that glass, there is oxygen. And that flame needs oxygen to burn. It needs it. So,
let's do it again.
Our thinking is once all the oxygen has run out, the flame goes out. Shall we have a look again? And this is a bigger glass this time. So, Sam, are you ready? Hang on. I'll take you... put your thumbs up if you can see. I hope you can. Can you go down here, Sam? Can everybody see?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm sure.
Okay. Let's try again. Ooh. It's going up, 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 it's going up. Is it still going up? It's still burning. Still burning. Whoa! Whoa!
It sucked all the water this time.
Wow! Wow!
This time it sucked all the water.
It did. Look at that. Take the glass off. See what happens, Sam.
They didn't. Wait. They
What?
didn't.
Did you see? Did you see?
Watch.
Put
Wait,
your
look.
thumbs up if you saw
All the
us.
smoke.
Yeah? Let's have a look. Whoa! God, blimey, Governor. That was a bit exciting. Put your thumbs up if you saw that. I hope you did. If you didn't, we'll do it another time. We'll do it again. We'll do it again. Not another time. So now, after all that excitement...
Can you smell that?
It's time
Smell
for...
that?
That's candle. That's candle. That's candle for you. Oh, so you did see. You're putting your thumbs up. Thank you, my loves. So now it's time for our story. And move up a bit, Sam, please.
I can't.
I'm not bothered. Just do it. I said please, didn't I?
Wait, move up that way, please.
There we go. There we go. So we have got a couple of stories today. There you go. Can you see it?
Why does it say yes, please?
I can see our sunshine. Gran and Gramps got us that sunshine. Look. Gran and Gramps, where did you get that sunshine from? This one here on our fence.
Wait, why does Gran say yes, please?
She said, I don't know why Gran said yes, please, actually.
Why did you say yes, please, Gran?
Anyway, nobody else is bothered about that, I don't think. Or maybe they are. I don't know.
But why?
Anyway, can we carry on?
Tell us, Gran, please.
She probably will. Give her time. Ribbit, can we please get on with the story? Please. We've found a new storybook. And it's about an egg. Look. Big egg.
Am I yours?
Am I yours, it's called. Lots of We've got Triceratops. What's that one called? Corythosaurus, Diplodocus, or Brachiosaurus, I'm not sure. T-Rex, Stegosaurus. It's called Am I Yours? And it's by Alex Latimer. Alex Latimer. Good old Alex Latimer. Thank you for this book, My Little Poodle Pie. Yes, you may have noticed I call everyone Poodle Pie. Because I don't know why. Hello, Poodle Pie. How are you? So, am I yours? It's making me think that an egg has been lost. Oh! 200 million years ago, an icy wind began to blow. It blew great clouds from east to west. Oh! And pushed an egg out of a nest. Look up there, an egg has disappeared out of a nest. No, there'll be a little baby inside that. Oh, I'm loving that, Rocco. It was awesome, that experiment, wasn't it? Did you enjoy it? Well, the egg rolled slowly down a hill. Slow at first, then faster, faster still. Do some rolling down a hill.
Until...
In fact, Sam, we should do that experiment as well. Set an egg rolling down a hill, and it does start off slow, and it gains speed. We'll do that. Do that at home.
There's no hills in our...
Not here. It bumped. Oh, it bumped a rock and spun around and came to land on level ground. Have a look at this poor little egg. It went like this. Oh dear, badoing, 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 boo, badoing. Poor little egg. I'm surprised it didn't smash some. It sat there. Oh, through the cold, dark night, at last it felt warm in the sunlight, and with the light came thumping feet. The lost egg called out, soft and sweet. Excuse me, but am I yours? I'm sure I am. A dinosaurs. Oh, poor little egg. It's lost its mama and papa. First, Stegosaurus. Oh, find me a Stegosaurus, Sam. Where's our Steggy? First, a Stegosaurus I can reach. You try and find all of the dinosaurs for me. First, a Stegosaurus. Let's have a look. Wandered near and asked the egg. Oh, don't worry, sweetie pie. Asked the egg loud and clear. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Are there spikes along your spine, long and flat and sharp like mine? Oh, hang on, the egg's talking again. I have no spikes. Oh, so I'm not yours. But I have no spikes. I'm sad to say I am not yours. But thanks. That's okay.
No, but that's okay.
But that's okay. Sorry, Sam. Next, Brachiosaurus. Leaned in low and asked his question calm and slow. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Do you have a longish neck, or is it short? Please, can you check? So, a longish neck like this. I'm wondering, Sam, that's a very long neck, isn't it? Ooh. Oh, the egg's talking again. Let's have a look at little Eggy. Poor little Eggy. It's very short, this neck of mine. I can't be yours, but that is fine.
But I'll be fine.
Oh, but I'll be fine. Thank you, Sam.
No, you could just read it and then.
I'm trying to read it and tell it and all sorts. You see. Oh, Triceratops. Where's Triceratops? Triceratops. Give me a Triceratops, quick. I need a Triceratops, I tell you. So, Triceratops,
I can't see Triceratops.
Came trotting by. Where's Triceratops? He's there. I can see him. Do not worry, everybody. Triceratops came trotting by. I've never heard of Triceratops trotting. Clip, clop, clip, clop, clip, clop, clip. Trotting like a little unicorn. I am not a unicorn. I'm a very, very fierce Triceratops. And spoke to the egg eye to eye. What do you look like inside that shell? I can't see in, so I can't tell. Do you have horns? 1, 2, and 3. 1, 2, and 3. 3 lovely sharp horns, just like me. Oh, I have...
No.
I have no horns. I wish I did. Oh, dear.
So I'm not yours. I'm not your kid.
So I'm not yours. I'm not your kid. Oh, don't be sad, little Eggy Beggy. Don't be sad, poor little egg. I never thought I'd feel so much for an egg. Poor little Eggy Weggy. Carnotaurus?
Yes.
Is that how you say it?
We don't have one.
This is the...
Froggy could be.
Oh, right, Froggy. Little Froggy's playing the Carnotaurus. Do I look like a... I can play it. Isn't it like that? Hello.
No, that's a Carno.
Oh, of course it is. I shall play the Carnotaurus. Everybody use your imaginations, please. La la rah rah rah. Carnotaurus amble past. Carnotaurus amble past. Yes, I am a Carnotaurus, not Mr. Froggy Woggy right now. She stopped and stared. Oh, there we go. She's staring. Then spoke at last. Ribbit, can you try not to ribbit? You're being a dinosaur. Try and roar. Rah, rah, ribbit. No, please don't ribbit. You're trying to be a dinosaur, yeah? Ribbit. Stop it! You're being a dinosaur. Ribbit. Please, Mr. Froggy, please, just try and be a dinosaur. Ribbit. No. Can you do this or not, Ribbit? Ribbit. All right, okay. So our Carnotaurus, ribbits. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Ribbit. What do you look like inside that shell, Ribbit? I can't see in, so I can't tell, Ribbit. Is that a crest upon your head, Ribbit? Or is it flat and smooth instead? Just like mine. Yeah, Ribbit. I am a dinosaur, Ribbit. Thank you, Mr. Frog. I would like to say you did a good job then, but I'm not sure he did. Let me put your thumbs up if you think he did a good job, Ribbit. Stop it, Ribbit. Oh, I have no crest. Oh, I just checked now. So I'm not yours. thanks anyhow. Oh, poor little Eggy Weggy Sam. I love our Eggy. Oh, Tyrannosaurus, where is he? She, he. Rah, you look a bit scary. And you have no claw. What's happened to these? What's happened to his hands? Honestly, you've been in the right fight there. Are you all right?
He's 5 years old.
He's been played with a lot. Pretend those are there. Yeah. Tyrannosaurus came to see and asked the egg quite lovingly. Can you ask lovingly? Yeah. That is not lovingly. Try and be loving. That is not loving. Please try and be loving. That's a bit more loving. Okay. What do you look like? No, just try and be loving. Okay. What do you look like inside that shell? That's sort of loving. Try work on that. Work on it for next time. I can't see in, so I can't tell. Rah. Do you have a mouth of teeth? Rah. Sharp up top and sharp beneath. Everyone do an impression of a T-Rex now. I'm going to do one. Oh, little Eggy Weggy's coming back.
Don't.
Little Eggy Weggy, let's have a look. My teeth are few, the egg replied. Oh, so I'm not yours, it said, and it sighed. No, really, don't do that. Did you see that? Tell him off. No respect, this young man, no respect. The sun sank slowly. There's the sun, it's sinking. Boop, 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 boop. The sun sank slowly and the lonely egg began to cry. Oh, the light of day is fading fast. I'm sure this night will be my last. Oh, little Eggy Weggy. Oh, I can't stay out in wind and storm. I'll freeze alone, I must stay warm. Oh, Sam, I can't take it. Oh, it's too much. Give me a cuddle, please. Oh, Mr. Froggy Woggy, yes, give me a cuddle. Oh. Give Sam a cuddle, Ribbit. Give Sam a cuddle. Yes, stop ribbiting, by the way.
Ribbit! Ribbit!
You are not ours. Who can you be? We wish there was a way to see. But then, as the sun began to set, it showed a perfect silhouette. So they could see inside the shell. Everybody, now do not spoil this. Have a guess. Have a guess what it is. What do you think it is? What do you think it is?
Wait, we're gonna have to... Hey, nobody's doing
Anybody.
Where's Gran and Gran?
I don't know. What do we think it is? I'm going to show you. I'm going to show you. Shout out now. Shout out now what you think it is. Oh, look, the dinosaurs are waiting. Oh, look. Look.
It's a pterosaur.
Dinosaur. A pair of wings, a pointy snout, 2 strong legs, both short and stout. We see now inside your shell. We know your folks, we know them well. Oh, they're going to find their mummy and daddy. Ribbit. Stop it, Froggy, please.
This is a dino adventure, not a froggy adventure.
The egg was rolled back up the hill. Rolled and nudged and pushed until they reached a soft and sandy mound. They left it where it would be found. Ribbit. Oh, look there, rolling up the hill, being very gentle actually, very, very gentle. Then came a thump of heavy feet. The egg called out, so soft and sweet. One last time, I must be sure. Are you the ones? Are you Rocco get it right? Pteroraptor. Is that?
Pteroraptor.
I don't know what a pteroraptor is, Rocco.
No, it's a pterosaur.
Pterosaur. Is that the same thing? I don't know. We are yours. We're two ecstatic pterosaurs. Oh, look.
It's raining.
Uh-oh, it's raining. It's a good thing it's raining now because we're nearly at the end. And when the night had come and gone, the sky was clear. The bright sun shone. There came a tap, a crack, a scratch, and the lucky egg began to hatch.
Ta-da!
Look at that. Little mummy and daddy and little baby.
It's raining! Evacuate!
Having a lovely cuddle. Lovely cuddles. Right, listen, my loves. I got massive cuddle from Sheepy there. Now, that is, let go, sweetie. That is the end of our Dino Friday today. And we are not back. We're going to have a few days off, actually. We're not back until Rainbow Thursday, next Thursday. We're having a tiny little break, lots of planning to do. Trying to get back outdoors as well, so I'll keep you informed of that, my loves. But only next week are we having those 3 days off. Actually, it's 5 days, isn't it? High five! Woo! So I shall put the schedule on my website as always, and on Facebook, and we'll send you some fun things as well. There's another experiment I'm going to send you before next week. And please, if you can pay anything, pay to my PayPal account, as always. If not, I love you joining in. Oh, hang on. Uh-oh, Captain Hook's going to be so annoyed. What?
Yeah! You haven't been saying bye-bye to Barney these weeks.
Oh,
Let
no.
me go get him.
Oh, we didn't. Yeah, because you always take him to your pirate ship.
No, I don't. I was on my pirate ship sailing the 7 seas and I bumped into Gigantosaurus. And she did a cannon at me and I had to go to hospital for 7 days.
Oh, are you all right? Are you all right?
Yes!
Seems a bit cross. I think he needs to go for a bit of anger management, Captain Hook,
How dare you!
Don't tell him that there isn't going to be a Pirate Tuesday next week.
What?
He heard. Don't worry, Captain Hook will be back a week on Tuesday, I promise. Oh.
We have to have Pirate Friday then.
All right, we'll have Pirate and Dinosaur Friday next Friday. Yeah, that's a deal.
Are you serious? That's not gonna happen.
Oh no, Gigantosaurus heard. What? Please. Oh, I think it's going to be the duel of the pirates and dinosaurs. Oh dear. Sorry about this. Everyone's in a right bad mood now. Anyway, it's raining. Got to get the storage chair inside, if you know what I mean. Let's say bye-bye to Barney. And please join us next Thursday. Bye-bye. Oh, hello, Barney. Bye-bye. And until then, have an absolutely lovely time.
Say bye-bye, Barney.
We love you lots.
Bye-bye.
And make some wishes. Wait,
hang on.
Oh, hang on. He's back again. What now? Oh, hang on. Look at you. Forgot to say hello to George today. You all right, George? Did you join in?
I'm wet.
Oh. Get the puppets in quick. Get them in. All right, my love.
Bye-bye. Wait, stop.
Oh. Right, little dog is saying, everyone's saying bye-bye.